3 tips for landing a role in a commercial. If you really want to make it big in television commercials, there are a few things you'll need to know. Commercial acting comes with its own set of expectations, just like any other route you decide to take. In general, it will take a solid understanding of advertising, marketing, and a degree of salesmanship, as well as having confidence and projecting yourself in a way in such that you can be convincing in a very brief period of time. Here are a few tips to help you get started in your pursuit of commercial acting. Here is the first tip for landing a role in a commercial. Commercial acting is all about having a larger-than-life personality. When you land an audition, it's important to appear posed, confident, and to be able to sell yourself in a way in which you seem believable in a minute or less, the length of an average commercial. Think of the audition like an elevator pitch of sorts and know, very concisely, how to convey who you are. When you're preparing for an audition, practice by looking at yourself in the mirror and reading lines to study how you appear, whether you have the right tone and pitch, and to make sure you're using the proper nonverbal cues that will draw a viewer in. Here is the second tip for landing a role in a commercial. Even though it may seem unrelated, joining an improv group is a good way to up your chances at nailing the necessary conciseness of your delivery. Improv is all about being able to respond on the spot. It also requires selling yourself in a way that some other forms of acting never offer and will help you build your on-the-spot public speaking skills. Look into groups or workshops in your area and get some experience before you head into an audition room. Another similar avenue would be to search for Toastmaster opportunities in your area to help you fine-tune your speaking skills and build up your confidence in the process. Here is the third tip for landing a role in a commercial. Another tip for making it big in the commercial world is to brush up on your general marketing skills. Commercials, after all, are advertisements. Gaining a deeper understanding of brand management will allow you to sell better for the company you're working with while the camera's rolling. You may also want to consider taking on the role of a brand ambassador in order to better understand how to best come across as a convincing salesperson. Commercial acting and brand ambassadorship have a lot of crossover due to the fact that the entertainer is tasked with drawing attention around a product or service. Doing both simultaneously, so long as there are no conflicts of interest, can offer some very necessary skill-building opportunities. These are just a few of the simple ways you can better refine your commercial acting skills. Unlike television or film, remember that commercials are advertisements. Understanding what it takes to be a good advertiser will ensure that you'll be a good commercial actor. When you start to build these skills in every way possible behind the scenes, you'll be sure to nail any role on screen you land. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.